This is the Hero Carousel, the opening statement of your storefront. The color, the typography, the rotation, down to how it reads on a mobile device. Everything you're about to see takes a few minutes to build in Ecommerce. Let me show you. The mode carousel toggle allows you to display a single slide or multiple slides. The carousel settings manage the transition, autoplay, and show/hide controls. Mobile layout manages whether you want to display the image above or below the content. Let's just make it so that the image is above the content. I select it, publish it, refresh the storefront, and now image is above content. Now the slides. This is our starting point. In the CMS, the Hero Carousel is a list of slides, and each slide owns its own content, its own look, and its own status. Let me show you this first slide. We've got the background, and we can manage it with any hex code by punching it in right here. The noise overlay toggle gives the background a textured look and feel, as you can see here. The eyebrow is the small line up top. The headline carries the message, and a supporting line in the body provides supporting copy to expand on that message. The media section is where you can upload or browse an image to display. The CTA section allows for multiple CTAs to be added while managing the label, URL button color, and CTA text color. We then have a desktop layout that allows us to manage the content and image positioning along with content alignment, whether that be left, center, or right. And let's say you want an image as the background. We'll just select full bleed, publish, refresh storefront, and now you have the image as the background. Let's just revert this, and to do so, I'll just use the Snapshot History to restore from the last draft to showcase that feature. I'll open my Snapshot History. I'll click on Restore as Draft on the last snapshot, publish, refresh, and we are back. The Snapshot History is a powerful tool. Now, why don't we add a new slide? I'll click Add Slide, select Create New. I'll rename the slide Black Friday 2026. I'll select this Midnight Black background tile here. For the copy, eyebrow gets Black Friday. Headline gets Black Friday starts now. And the body gets supporting copy. For image, we'll browse assets, select this image here, and move on to CTAs. We'll label the CTA Shop Black Friday, enter the button URL. For desktop layout, we'll just keep content on the left. Let's make sure this is visible. Let's bring it up to second position. Let's check out carousel mode. Make sure we can display multiple slides. Let's publish this. Refresh, take a look. There are still some updates to be made. I'd like this second slide to match the content layout, font size, and style as the first slide. Let's grab some configurations from the first slide. Looks like we have desktop font size at 3 rem and mobile at 2.5 rem. And desktop layout has content left padding at 135 pixels, plus content alignment is left. Mobile layout is centered for mobile. Now let's go to our second slide and make these updates. Desktop font size 3 rem and mobile 2.5 rem. Desktop layout content left and 135 pixels left padding. Content alignment is left and mobile alignment for content is centered. And one last thing I want to do is make the eyebrow a different color. Let me grab this brand orange from CTA, Copy and paste it here for eyebrow. Before we publish these last changes to the Storefront Next environment, let me validate them the way your team would. I'll click Save Draft here. Nothing has touched the live site. Now, this Preview Save Drafts button up here shows me exactly what shoppers would see. Here it is on desktop. And with one tap on mobile, here it is, ladies and gentlemen, on the phone, where most of your shoppers actually are. We've just validated the Black Friday slide on both screens without publishing a single pixel. We're ready to go live. Publish. Refresh. And there you have it, a Black Friday slide, built, validated, and live in a quick couple of minutes. This is Commerce Ace.